Today, we're reading about India that was. Number 1. What was the name for the small kingdoms ruled by prince? 2. What are the holy writings of the Aryans called? 3. When was Siddhartha Gautama born? 4. What did the prince learn about? 5. What does Buddha mean? 6. Who was the greatest Mara ruler? 7. What religion did Asoka convert to? 8. What family took over after Asoka's death? And 9. Which Portuguese explorer found the all-water route to India? India that was. After the Aryan invasion, they gave up herding and divided the land into small kingdoms, each ruled by a prince who was called a Raja. They set up rules that led to the caste system. The history of the Aryans come from their holy writings called the Vedas. About 500 before Common Era, a prince named Siddhartha Gautama was born. His father was a ruler in a small kingdom in the Himalayas. The prince was very rich, but despite his riches, he was not happy. He gave up his riches and began to search to learn about the meaning of life. The prince discovered that life was full of pain. He found that people made themselves unhappy because they wanted things they couldn't have. He believed that if people could put an end to the selfish desires, they would be happier and the world would be better. He taught what he believed to others. His followers gave him a new name, Buddha, which means the wise one. The greatest of the Maha rulers was Asoka. Asoka was a Hindu. He converted to Buddhism. He sent missionaries throughout India and the neighboring lands to spread the ideas of Buddhism. In time, many people outside of India became Buddhists. After Asoka's death, India once again became a land of many kingdoms, each with a ruler of its own. At about 320 Common Era, a new dynasty or family called the Guptas became very strong. They ruled a large part of northern India. The Indian people think of the years of the Gupta rule as ancient India's time of greatness. The rulers of Europe wanted an all-water route that would be quicker, safer, and cheaper, and this all-water route was found in 1498 by Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama, who sailed around Africa to India. As a result of his explorations, the Portuguese established several colonies in India. The English and French too followed the same route and set up their own trading post in India. All right, going to answer those questions if you would please.